The WikiPakk page tree provides the ability to move multiple child pages of the same parent page to another parent. So this comes in handy when cleaning up or when changing the home page to a new page in SharePoint, and you want to move all children of the old home page over. So I'll quickly show you how that works. WikiPakk is already installed here. You've got the breadcrumb bar at the top. You've got the page tree button, and when expanding that, you can see your pages. So in this case, it's the home page, and it has 3 children: standard content, special content, info center. And let's just say we want to move over everything from the special content parent node to the standard content parent node. And the way you do that with WikiPakk is you go to the old parent page, which is special content. Click the 3-dot menu and then select Move All Child Pages. Click that, and then you can choose the new parent. In our case, it's standard content. Click Move, and the Move All Child Pages dialog opens. It shows you how many child pages will be moved. It again shows from where to where, and yeah, then you click Move, and then it will move each page one by one over to the new parent. It takes a moment, and then it should show a green message: all child pages were moved. You click Close, the tree reloads, and you see all former pages from the special content parent node are now at standard content. And how it is ordered. So let's make sure that they are ordered alphabetically. You can also do that from the 3-dot menu, set alphabetical order, and then everything is ordered by alphabet. And of course, you can also move it back. Let's quickly move that back. Same procedure: move all child pages, choose the new page. In the dialog, click the Move button, wait for the pages to be moved, and then they are back with the old parent. And that's it. Click Close. The nodes reload, and now the special content got the child pages here. And sometimes it might come in handy when you want to. So there may be a time when you want to make all child pages to root pages, to move them to a tree root. There you don't have a parent node to select, so that's why there's a different option here. So let's say we want to make all the child pages of special content to move to the tree root, and you click the 3-dot menu. Click Move All Child Pages to Tree Root, and this is basically the same dialog. It asks you, do you want to move it to a tree root? You will also get a heads-up message when there are already lots of tree roots, because if you have too many root nodes, the tree might become slower over time, because when expanding the tree, all those root nodes have to be loaded. So the tree gives you a heads up about that, but 12 new root node pages are absolutely no issue. So click Move here. So it's only when we are talking about hundreds of root nodes. Some customers have tried thousands of root nodes, so that doesn't make really sense from a usability perspective. So in those cases, it's better to restructure content to use the full capability of the tree, which is providing a hierarchy of pages. And now all pages are gone from the former parent node and can now be found at the root node. And yeah, that's it. Important to know, this is just a virtual hierarchy. So in the background, SharePoint really doesn't care. All pages are always located in the site pages library. Those are pages from a migrated from Confluence migration in this case, but they are flat there in the site pages library, and the tree is just putting a virtual hierarchy on top of that, so that your users can actually navigate a larger number of pages.